Hi, my name is Jordan, and in this tutorial we're going to run through a couple of Windows shortcuts that we'll be completing on a laptop. So the first one we're going to run through is Control-C. This allows us to copy a part of a text, and this will allow us to then use the Control-V shortcut, which allows us to then paste the same sort of text. The next shortcut we can use is undo. This can remove the text that we've just now pasted, which is Control-Z. At the same time, this can be used to remove any mistake you might make and allow you to continue working on your document. At this point, we can also do Control-Y. If I've now removed this part of the text, which unfortunately I now need, I can do Control-Y. Another shortcut I can use is Control-S. This allows you to save any Word document that you might have open, and you can ensure that it is correctly saved. Another shortcut is Control-P. This allows you to print any document that you might have open. You can then select all your settings that are required and print. Another shortcut you can use is Alt-Tab. This allows you to switch in between two different applications. At this point, I will want to go from this document into my email, so I can do Alt-Tab and then select my emails. Security at Tribeca is one of our top priorities, and a simple action as locking your PC will ensure that any confidential documents are secure. So this action can be completed with Windows L. To finish this tutorial off, we'll run through a few commands that can be run on any application. For example, on Chrome you can run the refresh button, which is F5. On certain types of laptops you will need to include an additional function key to complete this. So for this one we'll need to run the function and F5. Another command that you can do is ensuring that you can full screen a application. So in Chrome, the same setup is Fn and F11 on this specific laptop, and this will put the application into full screen. Thanks for watching this tutorial. If you have any issues, do reach out.